Going through the change can be challenging. Now let's talk about the best supplements to support you through menopause. When you're suffering with hot flashes, insomnia, and mood swings, you'll take anything to feel better. And there's lots of supplements that may help with a symptom or two. Unfortunately, treating the symptoms of menopause and not the core issue will lead to taking more and more stuff to feel better. The goal to get back into balance specifically is to support your hypothalamus. And that's because it's your hypothalamus that controls all the symptoms of menopause: hot flashes, insomnia, weight gain, mood swings, low libido. When your hormones start falling in perimenopause, your hypothalamus becomes severely out of balance. So the best menopausal supplements support your entire neuroimmune endocrine system, meaning your entire hormonal system, focusing on the boss of your body, your hypothalamus. There's no single vitamin or mineral or herb that can support you all the way through menopause. Herbal remedies may temporarily relieve symptoms, but will not support your hypothalamus for optimal health from perimenopause all the way through postmenopause. Taking single herbs like estrogenic black cohosh or androgenic maca or progestational chasteberry can help temporarily, but over time will cause more imbalance in your hypothalamus. The safest, most effective way to treat the myriad of change of life symptoms is to balance your hypothalamus. And the best way to balance your hypothalamus is with a nutraceutical designed to support your hypothalamus's whole function, not just its temperature regulation or its weight set point or its circadian control. Otherwise, you'll be chasing symptoms. By high dosing with hormone replacement therapy or taking single herbal treatment, your hypothalamus is not going to be well supported, and you will always have to increase your dosage of hormones or add different herbs or other supplements to deal with the side effects. Your hypothalamus needs specific nutrients to do its job, like a unique blend of specific amino acids formulated to support optimal hypothalamus function, and a rich array of phytonutrients from sea vegetation and sprouted whole plant foods to optimize hormone metabolism and function. A special herbal blend designed to increase your longevity and protect your cells, plus phytonutrients to improve menopausal digestion and detoxification. Until 2003, there was not great hypothalamic support available. I created Genesis Gold in order to support the hypothalamus in all of its entire function, including regulation of sleep cycles, temperatures, moods, weight, and libido. Do you need support while going through the change? Join us in our hormone support group, which you can access free by signing up for the Hormone Reboot training, and let's chat. Genesis Gold provides your hypothalamus with exactly what it needs to start functioning optimally again, including a special hypothalamic amino acid blend designed to balance your adrenals, thyroid, and sex hormones, which helps reduce hot flashes and help you age gracefully. Whole plant phytonutrients to increase mitochondrial energy production, which optimizes your basal metabolic rate to help you maintain optimal menopause weight. Special herbal blend to help your body fight off infection, decrease menopausal hypersensitivity and allergy reactions, and suppress autoimmunity. Digestive aids including enzymes and broad-spectrum probiotics to help your menopausal digestive tract better digest and absorb nutrients from food. And specific phytonutrients to enhance detoxification pathways in your liver and kidneys and cells to help you metabolize your hormones safely. Amino acids and phytonutrients to stabilize moods, deepen sleep, enhance memory, improve focus and concentration. With the help of Genesis Gold, menopause is so much easier. You'll have more energy, more motivation, a sex drive. Your body will stay strong and healthy. You'll sleep deeply. You'll handle stress with so much more ease. You'll live your best life. Now check out my next video for more menopause health tips.